How to write and send text messages on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is open up the message application on your device. So I'm going to go for the message application, which is over here. So just tap on messages and then you can see the option of start chat. Just tap on start chat, and here you just have to select the person whom you want to send the message to. So for example, if I'm gonna just search for any of this person, now after that you will be led to the profile where you can send a message with text box over here at the bottom. So just tap on any message over here and then you just have to send or tap on the send button, which is beside the message box. So just tap on send and you will be able to write and send text messages on Android. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.